Cleaning versus staging. That's like comparing a shower to a full-blown spa day. Well, let's talk about that. Let's break down cleaning versus staging. So you know how you have that one friend that comes over and she takes this outfit that's kind of like, not so great. And then she puts some accessories with it and then it's amazing? That's staging. First, there's cleaning. That's like brushing your hair, brushing your teeth. It's essential, but you don't stop there. Whenever you're getting your house ready, cleaning is super important. You want to declutter. You want to make sure the home is spotless. Probably get a professional in there to give it a really good deep cleaning. Get rid of that pile of magazines that you've had since 2010. Staging, now that's where the magic happens. Staging is like when you have that friend that comes over and this outfit and they put some accessories with it and make it a showstopper. That's staging. Staging is where you have someone bring in furniture and they put the right lighting in there, just the little touches that make buyers feel like, wow, I need to live here. Imagine this, a stager walks into your home and all of a sudden that comfy worn out couch that you have, gone. It's gone. It's replaced with a modern sofa that makes the room look twice as big. Artwork that complements the colors in your home magically appears. Those random knickknacks that are in the house all over that replaced with some more modern accessories that make the house look amazing. It's more than cleaning. It's setting the stage for the buyer's dream home. Having a clean house is super important. That is number one. That is the basics. But having a staged home, that's like the main character in a blockbuster movie, just unforgettable. If you want your home to be the star of a real estate show, don't just clean it, stage it.